Hello, my name is Vasco Trigo. I am from Portugal. I am a science journalist and also a science communication teacher and researcher. I've been invited to join IITGN for a 3-month period to share my almost 25 years long experience in this field, and also to help increase even more the great job that has been done so far by officials, by faculty, by researchers and by the staff. 10 days after my arrival, what I can tell you is that all my expectations have been exceeded. Everybody is doing their best to make me feel comfortable, and I would like to stress the willingness to help, to cooperate, to engage with me. And if I'm talking about people, is because IITGN is for the people, for the students namely. And also the students are very kind, very nice, and they like to engage, and it's good to share opinions with them. Coming from Europe, everything is different for me here. Different environment, different culture, different climate, different food, and I'm enjoying it, by the way. But I have a roomy apartment, comfortable and clean. I have a wide office with everything I need to develop my work, and I'm enjoying it.